Hello. Today we'll continue with the Java swing. So in the previous classes we created some components. So today we will see how to create the text field and the combo box. So let me demonstrate you all these things again with the programs. So let's go with the first one, that is text field. I've given the name of the class as text field example. Okay, so let's see how to go about it. So first try the import statement. So import javax dot swing dot star semicolon. So then you are having this built-in class. So that is as of that the file name text field exam. So inside this we'll write the main method public static void main string of args. Okay. Then over here we will create all the frames and components required for creating the text field. So we know that every component will be under container. So we'll create the container, that is the J frame. Let me give a name F to the frame is equal to new J frame. Okay. So we can give a name to the frame. So let's give the name as text field example. This will be the name of the container or the frame what we create. Okay. So next this thing is we have to create the text field. So let me create the two objects of that. So the text field is actually created using the JTextField class. Okay, so I'll give the object name as T1 and T2. Okay, so close this with a semicolon. So now let me create the new text field. So T1, okay, first object. So it is equal new J text field. Fine. Okay. Then inside that you will be passing any string. Okay. So you can give any string. Welcome to classes. Close this one. So next what we have to give is the boundary values of the T1. So T1 dot set bounds. Okay. So to this we will give what the x-axis, y-axis, width and height. Okay. So we'll pass the values of x, y. Okay. Then the width value and then the height value. Okay. And close this one. So next we'll create the another text field. So T2 is there. So T2 dot. So T2 is equal to new JText field. Let me give thing as Java swings as the string which passes argument over here. Any string you can give. That is in T2. Okay, so now we have to give the boundary of T2. So set bounds. So specify the value of xy coordinates. So it should be just different. So we can start with the same x value. Okay, so y value can change. So change it to 150 over here. Okay, so the width and the height you can keep it the same. That come out that. Okay, so this is the setting one. Next we know that whatever okay text boxes we have created for the using the text field. Now we have to add it to the container. So to do that, we use the add method. So f dot add t1. Okay, what it will do? It will add the t1. Also, what is t1? T1 is a text field. It will be added into the f. So what is f? F is the frame. So similarly, f dot add t2. Okay. So next, what we have to do? We can set the size of the frame. So set size. Okay. So you can give any value. So let me keep it as 400 by 400 thing. So that is set size. Okay. And if you are using any layout managers, you can give set layout. Okay. So here, let me give it. We will not use any layout. So give the value as none. Then f dot set visible. So we are making the frame visible. We have to give the boolean value here. So make it as true. Okay, so this is the program which we are writing to create the swings. Okay, so remote. So we are having the final program. So when we run this program, let's see what will happen. Okay, so you will get this frame. So you can see over here. So at the top, the frame name will be there. So it's text field example. Okay, then there are two text fields. Okay, and you can always move the cursor here and there over there. Okay, and the thing is, actually these are editable. Okay, so you can delete that and write some contents over here. Okay, and this also some contents you can write and edit. So this is how we create text field using Java Swix. Okay. So moving on, next we will create another thing. So let us go back and see how to create combo box in the next video.